Okay, the next one I'm going to attempt to demonstrate to you is quick polls in Teams. Now this is just genius. If you need to do a quick survey with a pupil, with a group of pupils and get their results, this is the way to do it. So the way that it happens is you go to your go to Teams as the teacher, and I'm suddenly wanting to decide if pupils are in fact understanding something. I need to ask them a question. So in my conversation view, I go to my three little dots here, and then I click on that, and then I need to find this forms. Now the first time if I'm looking for it, I might just have to type forms in, and then it comes up there for me. So I click on that, and then all that I do is complete this box that appears on my screen. It is really fast to do. So what is your favorite color? And I'm going to give options, red, green. I can make other options if I wanted. And then I click save. I've got the option of making the results anonymous or sharing them automatically after voting. I normally keep the sharing on after voting done. So you click save, and then it shows you what it will look like on the pupil screen, and you click send, and it is simple as that. And then in the middle of everyone's screens will pop up that poll. Now not only does it pop up there, and you can see it there just appearing, so the pupils can click on it and click submit, you've also got it in your conversation view, so you can see how many results are coming in. So I've just clicked red there, and there you go, and there's my result. And then I can see that if I was a pupil, that would be there in the middle of the screen. However, you can also see it in the conversation view. So let me show you that again. It's the three little dots. You go to forms, you type in your question. I'm going to go with yes or no. See, it might give me some suggested options as well. Click save and send, and there you go. That is how you do an immediate poll, and it is simple as that. So forms in Teams.